2018 Mercedes-Benz G-Class review. Few, perhaps none, in this particular class are as well-rounded because the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. We expect so much from small crossover SUVs. This class, on the list of commanding forces from the automotive industry, is chock full of vehicles that provide an elevated view, a good amount of passenger room, and superior cargo capability to their sedan and hatchback counterparts. In the luxury category, expectations are even higher because crossovers must also be exceptionally smooth, quiet and powerful. Yet even measured against these standards, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz G-Class seems to stand out. It's that good. Much with the GLC's superiority arises from its expertly crafted cabin. Every detail, on the metal speaker covers with a leatherette trim dash and open forward trim, has been obsessed over. The interior feels justifiably costlier than even the ones from most other luxury crossovers. The focus on detail carries over if you move from your standard GLC 300 to one of several high-performance AMG models. Not only do you get throaty V6 and V8 engines that rocket the GLC far away from a stoplight, moreover, you may get upgrades, for instance a sport-tuned air suspension, bigger brakes, and summer tires to produce the most in the extra power. And we haven't even discussed the GLC's roomy cabin, that can fit 4 tall adults effortlessly. Pound for pound, this is one of many best small luxury crossovers in the marketplace. What's new? 2 new models join the G-Class lineup, the GLC 350 plug-in hybrid and also the performance-oriented AMG GLC 63. Heated wipers have become standard, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto can be added using the smartphone integration package. Mercedes has additionally renamed some packages to higher convey the characteristics added. The 2 AMG models come standard with additional features, in addition to their power could be intoxicating. But we feel most buyers is still quite happy using the more affordable GLC 300. It's suitably quick, and each and every non-performance upgrade available for the harder potent GLCs is intended for it, from a luxurious leather upholstery to advanced driver aids. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is often a small luxury crossover SUV with seating for 5. It's offered in 4 trim levels. Most buyers will choose the 4-cylinder GLC 300 since it's essentially the most affordable and is usually ordered using a wide range of luxury and safety enhancements. There's also the GLC 350e plug-in hybrid late availability that pairs the 4-cylinder through an electric motor. Performance enthusiasts will relish the AMG GLC 43's turbocharged V6, whilst the AMG GLC 63 also late availability occurs the week even more having a turbocharged V8. Note that although GLC 300 includes standard rear-wheel drive and provides all-wheel drive called 4MATIC being an option, the rest on the lineup is sold with all-wheel drive. The GLC 350 works on the 7-speed automatic transmission, as well as the other models employ a 9-speed auto. The base GLC 300 comes equipped using a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 241 horsepower, 273 pound-feet of torque, 18-inch wheels, adaptive suspension damping not driver selectable, an electrical liftgate, a rear-view camera, power folding mirrors with auto-dimming for the driver's side and automatic wipers. Inside, you will find dual-zone automatic climate control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an electrical adjustable tire, adjustable drive settings, an electrical adjustable driver seat with memory functions, 402040 split power folding rear seats, simulated leather upholstery, MBTEX and keyless ignition. Tech features will include a 7-inch infotainment display, Brace Connect includes smartphone app integration, with an 8-speaker subwoofer with HD radio and 2 USB ports. Select the GLC 350e plug-in hybrid with an electric motor and battery. Power will be paired to your 4-cylinder for just a combined 315 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. Its evenly range and standard equipment haven't been made public, but the characteristics and options must be similar to what's offered within the GLC 300. The AMG GLC 43 is very different through the above two trims. In addition to a potent turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 362 horsepower, 384 lb-ft, the GLC 43 is further furnished with 20-inch wheels, a hobby-tuned air suspension, a sport tyre, the contents on the GLC 300's premium package, blind spot monitoring, keyless ignition and entry, satellite radio, and also a 115-volt power outlet, simulate steward seat inserts and heated front seats. The most fun trim could be the AMG GLC 63. Besides its turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 469 horsepower, 479 lb-ft, in addition, you get upgraded brakes, LED headlights, a mechanical limit slip differential, variable torque distribution for your all-wheel drive system, along with a 14-speaker premium Burmester surround head unit. Some features for the upper trims could be ordered on lower trims, though most extras are categorized into packages available across the GLC lineup. Safety-minded buyers might think about the driver assistance package, which adds adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning and mitigation, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision warning and mitigation with automatic braking. It also adds the contents on the premium package on the GLC 300. There's also the advanced parking assist package. It includes a top-down parking camera system, front and back parking sensors, an automatic parking system along with a hands-free liftgate. For the ultimate night cruiser, browse the advanced lighting package, which adds adaptive LED headlights, automatic high beam control, interior ambient lighting and illuminated door sills. For the techies around, a multimedia package is provided, which has a navigation system, touchpad controller as well as an 8.4-inch central display. There's also a possibility that bundles Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but observe that it's incompatible while using multimedia or driver assistance package. Some on the features inside the above packages may be ordered as standalone options. There are a number of separate things that buyers could also want to add. Styling upgrades include 21-inch wheels, the night package glossy black exterior elements as well as the AMG line GLC 300 only, adds interior and exterior appearance modifications, a flat bottom steering wheel plus the GLC 43's upgraded brakes. Luxury enhancements can also be found, for instance a cabin fragrance and air purification system, a panoramic sunroof, a head-up display, a heated tire, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, rear side window shades, various trim accents and multiple premium leather upholsteries followed by adjustable passenger thigh support and memory settings. A performance exhaust system can be acquired exclusively for AMG models. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S on this review use our full test on a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC Turbo 2.0 litres inline 4, 9-speed automatic, AWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the latest GLC-Class has gotten some revisions, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which became available only this year. Our findings remain applicable to the year's GLC-Class, however. Driving. This is a simple and confidence-inspiring small SUV they are driving. Though the impressively sharp GLC-Class offers more powerful engines, Each 0.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder doesn't disappoint. Acceleration. The GLC-Class demonstrates authoritative passing power at highway speeds. That said, the GLC isn't as quick from your stop because the Audi Q5 or perhaps a comparable BMW X3. In our testing, we measured a 6.7-second sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour, braking. Fitted with all the optional summer tires plus much more powerful brakes, our test GLC 300 located a stop from 60 miles per hour in 116 feet, which is usually a little longer than expected. Pedal travel is long but simple to modulate out partying. Steering. In normal mode, the controls is lacking feel but surprisingly responsive. Putting it in sport mode adds a welcome extra little effort that increases feedback and as a consequence confidence. Either way, effort reaches least linear and consistent. Handling. The GLC is extremely impressive to have an SUV. It stays reasonably flat through turns and does not feel very tall or large. It's easy they are driving a fast clip down a twisty road. The GLC is just not a Porsche Macan, yet it's much more capable than expected. Drivability. The adaptive cruise system controls the gas and brakes well, both for the highway plus in traffic. It could possibly bring the GLC to a full stop. The 9-speed auto is a lot smoother than other transmissions with all the same gear count. On the downside, the engine stop-start method is obtrusive at startup. Comfort. Even when built with big wheels, the Mercedes-Benz GLC is impressively comfortable. Lesser-equipped versions, or those using the optional airbody control suspension, needs to be even better. Seat comfort. Mercedes typically firm seats end in supreme long-distance comfort. 3 consecutive days with 5-plus drives yielded nary an ache or pain. Optional front seat thigh adjustment increases comfort further. The seat's bolsters make you stay in place when cornering. Ride comfort. 20-inch wheels at art exercising. Impact harshness, but despite the presence of them, the ride is well damped and inside the realm of comfortable. Smaller wheels and also the optional air suspension should build a plush, nicely controlled ride. Excellent. Noise and vibration. The GLC 300 is impressively hushed in a mere about every situation. Even after you mat the gas pedal, the 4-cylinder engine doesn't sound not overly strained. Climate control. There are 3 orbital vents inside center console with controls directly below, along with a vent on each end with the dash is often a classic design with classic function. Rear passengers get 2 vents. On full blast, the cabin is going to be heated or cooled in just a short stoplight wait. Interior. The Common Tech interface includes a steep learning curve but offers many features and adjustable settings. Otherwise, the GLC is one of several more sensible, family-friendly compact SUVs. Back seat leg and headroom are particularly impressive. Is useful. The physical Common Tech interface is confusing. A redundant knob and touchpad assist you to choose your control method good, though the awkward overlapping means they physically get involved each other's way. Getting in, jetting out. The GLC is just not quite as high as numerous other SUVs, so it will be more just a few stepping into the cabin rather improving. The rear door opening is really a bit narrow, but a square roof and pillar combo results in relatively easy access. Roominess. There's an extraordinary amount of rear legroom to get a compact SUV, even using a dual driver in advance. It's quite comparable on the bigger GLE, actually. Headroom from the front and rear is similarly generous. The GLC should end up being quite family-friendly. Visibility. The roof pillars are thick, but there is however good visibility all around, especially forward, without the need of egregious blind spots. A rear view camera is standard, with additional parking aids available. Accident avoidance tech is class leading in the functionality and availability across all trims. Quality. The GLC just isn't as stoutly constructed as a possible S-Class, however it is not far off either. The materials are beautiful switchgear, wood trim, stitched leather-like dash and metal speakers and air vents. Even the seat's premium vinyl upholstery is virtually indistinguishable from leather. A segment leader. Utility. The GLC's cargo area is wide, beneficial to golf clubs, as well as roofline more squared, great for boxes. The rear seats fold for the touch of the mouse, and also the front seats motor forward if required. Small item storage at the start is okay. Technology. The GLC isn't a tour de force of Benz's latest tech. The A-Class is a lot more advanced around, however it is no slouch. From its 8.4-inch touchscreen, high-quality subwoofer and a host of driver safety systems, the GLC packs just about all you need. Audio and navigation. The premium Burmester surround sound audio product is exceptional and also a bargain with the price. Standard navigation is additionally top shelf and beamed for an 8.4-inch display. The menu structure is all too easy to move through and near operate with all the dial controller. Smartphone integration. Smartphones integrate via Bluetooth or perhaps a USB port. You can stream or be a guitarist through the Mercedes-Benz audio interface. Nevertheless, the integration isn't quite as good as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Both are offered for 2018, but they're incompatible with many with the available safety and tech features. Driver aids. Mercedes' adaptive cruise control is world-class. It keeps close towards the car ahead but looks after a safe following distance. Also, it doesn't panic brake every time a vehicle jumps right in front. Combined with lane keeping and steering assist, it delivers beautiful semi-autonomous driving in highway gridlock. Voice control. Voice commands work handily to get into navigation and music commands, even if connected via Bluetooth. Music commands are fulfilled especially quickly and fluidly.